38 again. Good job. Wow, that's crazy. All right, back up. Okay, go ahead. Oh, 3. Good job. Oh my goodness. You have to back up.
Slow.
You have to back up. You're too close to me.
Do it slow, Matthew. No, like, here, I'll show you slow. Like this. No, this is slow. Wait.
Good.
Hey, Matthew, you should do this. Move, move. Matthew, move. This is how you should do it. And you get faster a little bit. So do it slow, then a little bit faster. See how you do it? 1. Yeah, do it like that. 1. Yeah, slow. That's good.